GM and welcome to a new video. It's time to talk about Loud, aka StayLoudio. And if you have been active on X in the last couple of days, probably this is the only thing you've seen if you're on crypto Twitter, because basically everyone is talking about this and farming this might be a really nice airdrop chance. Is this only for influencers or KOLs? We're gonna take a look at this in this video. I'm gonna explain you what StayLoudio is, how to take part of this, and my own opinion on all of that. Let's get started right away. This is the official X account, StayLoudio. And as always, all the links are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, that helps me a lot. And you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. For example, if you followed me earlier, then you've seen my videos on Kaito AIs, which would have set you up for StayLoudio already, but don't worry, I will explain how to set up your account here in this video as well. But this is the official X account. And first of all, let's talk about what StayLoudio is and how you can actually take a part in this. You can either read this article here. I think that's very good explained in this one here. But I would like to go through it with this thread here by Jose on Sol. I hope I pronounce this correctly, because they did a very good write-up, and why not support other creators? I will put this link also down in the description. Make sure to follow them and like and retweet, oh, I haven't retweeted this yet, this thread by them. So what is StayLoudio and why are crypto Twitter top users talking about Loud? I'll explain it step by step, how it works, how to earn, and how to participate in their initial attention offering. So this is not an ICO, but an IAO. All right, Laudio is a decentralized attention market experiment created with Kaito AI. If you don't know what Kaito AI is, as I said, there's several videos on my channel explaining this. This is about Loud, so we don't want to go into too much detail here what Kaito actually is. It connects creators, which are called yappers in Kaito terms, and traders in a cycle where fees are redistributed weekly to the most influential people. So basically to the top 25. So this is basically a whales game, but you will get your chances, as I will explain here. Each week, part of the fees generated by Loud trades are distributed and sold to the top yappers. The more impact you generate, Mindshare, the more you earn. You can see the ranking with the top yappers on Mindshare here. And this is the official site. Let's go to it, StayLoud.io. This is the page. I'm gonna explain to you how to sign up for this as well. Ultra is actually the one that is behind Loud, so he has the top position right here. Apart from that, we see a lot of KOLs from X. All right, that being said, let's talk about the tokenomics. You can see the total supply. 45% of the is for the IAO, 45% for the initial liquidity, and 10% for the community and market makers. After the IAO, Sol and Loud are added to Meteora to initiate the trading. So basically everything on Sol goes through Meteora these days. Now, here's the important part, how to participate in the IAO. The date is May 31st, so tomorrow at 10 AM EST or 2 PM UTC. The platform is Holo launch, divided into two phases. So the phase 1 is guaranteed. This is the top 1000 yappers only, and 0.2 Sol per wallet. Then the phase 2 is first come first serve, open to all Kaito users with Solana connected and 10 plus smart followers. If overbooked, minimum 0.05 Sol. All right, this is this. And I'm gonna go through this real quick. This is just the overview. What happens next? The token begins trading on Meteora. Weekly distributions to yappers begin, and the entire decentralized attention economy experiment. To sum this up, basically what you need to do, you need to talk about StayLoudio. You need to talk about Loud. So put the $ in front of it so they know it's the token. And then you can gain some mindshare. All right, how to get started. We're now on the official page, StayLoud.io. As you can see here, for the initial attention offering, register your Solana wallet on Kaito to participate in the initial attention offering. If you have been following me and my channel, you should be all set up because of the Kaito videos. But if you haven't, make sure to sign up on yeps.kaito.ai, connect your X account, and then what you need to do is also connect a Solana wallet. This is very important because you basically sign up with an ETH wallet first, and what you need to do is then go to yeps.kaito.ai/user, then click on my wallets here, then you go to inputted wallets, as you can see here, and then with the Solana wallet, you click on edit and then you paste in your Solana wallet address. Lots of people are struggling with this because they see the linked wallets and then they're like, okay, but how do I put in my Solana wallet? Because those are all Ethereum wallets basically that you can connect. You need to go to inputted wallets, then edit the Solana wallet here, so you're all set up to get the eligibility. Also, if you've seen the Yuma video, which I did, if you have been talking about Yuma or active in the Solana ecosystem and you did put in your Solana wallet here on Kaito, you were able to claim some rewards. I have this video up here, so make sure to check this one out. Maybe you're eligible if you put in a Solana wallet. So this is a very important step. If you signed up on Kaito AI, even though if you did not get any YEPs, it doesn't matter. Make sure to put in your Solana wallet so you're eligible, first of all, for Loud, but also for other possible airdrops. Once you did this, you're basically all set up. What you then need to do is talk about Loud. So by either mentioning at StayLoudio or Loud with the $ in front of it to mark this as a token. And you can see this here. Tweet about Loud to earn Mindshare. Top contributors earn rewards each week. Rewards come from an actual trading fees and are distributed in Sol. And here you can see the fee split. 4% fee after Meteora. And this is super interesting because 72% go to Mindshare, okay. And you can see the top 1K here. For example, if you're searching, I think there was one in the top K that was also called Luke. Here, he's on place 940. And they are in the top 1K. So this is the top 1K that you can search. I basically did only 1 or 2 posts on StayLoudio, and also I'm not on here and I won't make it in the top 1K, but maybe you made it because you talked a lot about it. Then, and this is the interesting part for everyone that has some staked Kaito. Actually, you will get fees if you have your Kaito staked as well, and creators get 10%. Those are the top 25 that will get the 10% here. Maybe to give you some ideas, and there's not much time left, but here's a great example. Also, this link down in the description. Make sure to follow them. They are amazing. 9 hours and 8 posts into StayLoudio, and I made it to the top 500. We gotta say, okay, they have 14,000 followers, so this is the one thing. I had more quantitative funny posts than informative quality posts. Posted once an hour. For posts, I tag StayLoudio. For comments, I use Laudio or Loud mostly. I replied with good comments, not only one word. Keep engaging as strong as I can. I made 8 posts, but probably 50x more replies. Utilize support groups. Will add some of you that comment below. It's not too late. You can make it. Be Laudio. And this is the thing. Probably, I mean, they have 14,000 followers, but the thing is, replies will probably give you the most mindshare, because if you post as a smaller account, nobody will actually see your post. But if you comment under the KOLs post and maybe they engage with your post, then a lot more people see your post and your mindshare grows. So this might be the best opportunity to do this. I think it will be worth it to get into the pre-sale with the 0.2 Sol, because the estimated market cap is only 150K. I think we will see way higher market cap for this, but as always, just plain speculation, no financial advice. But it might be worth getting into those top 1K. Now, my opinion on StayLoud. Should you join or should you not? If you decide to join, I would probably focus on the replies mainly and interact with the KOLs posts and hope in a meaningful way, hoping that they engage with your post. That will definitely grow your mind share way more than posting yourself. It doesn't hurt, but to be honest, the best way is by being a reply guy. My honest opinion, will this stay? I don't think it will. It reminds me a lot of PackMoon, and it was definitely worth it being a part of this. There's people really hating on StayLoud. There's always, I mean, this is just a short-term thing in my opinion. But yeah, probably it will be worth it if you are in early, if you are able to join through the pre-sale. I mean, if you stake Kaito, you will probably get some rewards as well. I think the top 25 is just a whales game, just the KOLs and biggest influencers gaining this year. Yeah, the best way is probably to interact with the post from the top 25 and hoping that they interact with your posts and therefore giving you a lot of engagement and therefore more mindshare, which will then can maybe get you into the top 1K. So fingers crossed, let me know if you take part of this, if you think this is just another, stupid thing that Crypto Ticker does and only the KOLs and whales gain something out of this, or if you think that you can actually make it and get into the top 1K of the leaderboard. Let's do a little challenge. Maybe I will be able to still join the top 1K. Let's see. I will focus on commenting on the top 25, trying to get their engagement and therefore enter the top 1K. I think this will be very hard to do, but because I haven't posted about StayLoudio so far, but I think it might be doable if you really go in hard. So feel free to join in on that competition. I only have slightly above 2K followers, so not too much. So I will definitely focus on commenting on the top 25. Let's see how it turns out. I will definitely give an update next week on all of this around StayLoudio. Thank you so much for watching. I got a new video on OpenSea coming up because the beta is over. The complete version is now going live. Make sure to check that one out. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.